So it's March 13th, 2022. Got the 518 transmission up on something I can work on it, and in a tray to collect all the crappy fluids and stuff. First step, I already took the torque converter out. Sorry, the cable's annoying. The fluid that came out, it's not too bad. It's dirty, but not metal flakes and such. So we'll find out how bad the pan is when I get it out. Of course, it's been sitting on end on the bell housing end for the better part of a year, so I'm not sure what's up. Anyways, so I'll pull the pan off and give it some gentle inspection, and I'll be back. All right, so first inspection with the pan off. Houston, I think we got a problem. Anyways, sorry, get the finger out of the way. There's the pan. A few more things coming out of it. Pan itself, okay. No flakes on the bottom of it. Doesn't look real encouraging. All right, got it all apart. Doesn't look too bad so far. Just kind of going through different things, reading the book. Gonna start, like an elephant, one bite at a time. I'll start with the oil pump. So far it looks pretty good. Got to clean it up, obviously. Checking all the gaskets and the seals and the goodies that came in the kit that I got from Parts online. Looks pretty complete. I haven't really checked everything out yet, but I'm pretty happy with what I've seen so far. No big surprises inside that I can see so far. Everything looks pretty good visually. The band, it's obviously showing some signs of wear. The clutches and all are similar and whatnot in there. And what what I did find was just a disaster was the overdrive. There's nothing left of any of the friction plates, and the steels are all warped. You can see that they're just chewed to hell. So I think I can clean the steels, the big steels up. Check that all out. Those all came in the kit, so that's all cool. Pardon me while I bend over and pick up the shit on the floor. So I found a piece of steel or ring in the tray, and it looks like it came off of the overdrive retention ring. I don't know if you can see there, and I got a crappy light. Anyway, so you can see it right there is broken off, and there's the other half over there, or there's another part of it. I can't tell where it's broken, but that kind of figures where it came from, and all the crap in the bottom of the pan came from those, obviously. Anyway, so that's where we're at for the moment. Sorry for the bad lighting. More to come. Like I said, one step at a time. I'll start with the oil pump and follow the book and see what it has to tell me. All right, later.